Hi, in this video, I'm going to explain how to start page numbering from a specific page in Microsoft Word. Page numbering is crucial for document organization and professionalism in Microsoft Word. Starting numbering from a specific page is essential for formal reports, academic papers, and legal documents. So let's dive into the video to see how we can do this. Right over here, you can see I have a document with a table of contents inserted right at the top. Then on the second page, we have list of figures. And from the third page, the main section of the document starts and goes on till the end. Now here in this document, we have to start page numbering not from the first page but from the page 3 where our main section gets started. To do this, we'll head over to the Home tab, click on this paragraph marker. It will show all the hidden formatting applied to this document. Right over here, you can see we have page break. Page break simply shows that the page ends right from here. And similarly, on the next page, you can see we have page break right after list of figures. First, you need to put your cursor right at the page where from you want to start your page numbering. So let me click over here. Then I'll go to Layout tab, click on Breaks. And over here, you can see we have two sets of breaks, page breaks and section breaks. I have already explained what page breaks are. They simply shows where does a page end, while section breaks actually divides your document into different sections to which you can apply different formatting styles. Let me click on next page to insert a section break, and there we are. You can see right over here we have this section break inserted into our document. Let's go again to Home tab and turn off these paragraph markers. In order to insert page numbering, let's get to page 3. Double click right over here on the top and you can see header and footer gets enabled. And with that, we have a number of options popping up right on the ribbon. On the left, in header and footer section, we have this page number. Click over here. You can see we can apply page numbering to the top of the page, to the bottom of the page, to the margins, and to the current position. I want to apply page numbering to the bottom of the page on the right of the page at the bottom. So I'll click over here and there we are. You can see page numbering gets applied to the whole of the document. It actually starts right from the page 1 over here, goes on to the next page, and similarly, the whole of the document carries this numbering. One more thing that you might have noticed over here is you can see header section 2. If you scroll up, you can see footer section 2 and again header section 2, and right over here we have footer section 1. This actually shows that we have two sections in our document. The other thing that you can see on the right side is same as previous. This actually shows that the numbering style that has been applied to the whole of the document are being carried from section 1 right into the section 2. Let me show you how both the sections are interconnected. Let me write something over here. You can see I have written page, and if you scroll up, you could see it's being applied to the whole of the document. This is not what we want. Let me delete it. Now, right over here in the navigation pane, you can see we have this button link to previous. This shows that two sections are actually linked to each other. If you click over it and toggle it off, now the section 1 gets disconnected from section 2. Now each of these sections will behave as if they are independent of each other. Let me show you. Again, I'm gonna write page. Let's scroll down. You could see it's appearing right over here in the section 2. Let's scroll up to see if it appears in section 1 or not. And there you go. You don't see any of the text that we have written in header section 2. It doesn't appear in header section 1. Let me delete it. Now let's apply the page numbering to this document. Again, head over to the header and footer section, click over it, go to bottom of the page and apply this plain number 3 style. And there we are. Although we have separated both the sections from each other, but our document still carries the numbering starting from the page 1 into page 2 and then page 3. We actually want numbering to be started from page 3. It should have been page 1. So let's get to the page number again. Click on Format Page Numbers. And over here in the page numbering, you can see we have two radio buttons. Continue from previous section, Start 8. Click on this Start 8. Now you can see automatically 1 is inserted right into this box. Click on OK and there we are. You can see page numbering starting from 1 is inserted on page 3 of our document and it carries over onto the next page and so on. Now if you go to section 1, you can see we have this page 2 that was previously applied over here. Simply click over here, press delete from your keyboard and it's gone. Let's get back to page 1, and there you can see we don't have any page numbers on page 1 and page 2, and the page numbering actually starts right from this literature review, that is page 3. So this was all about inserting page numbering from a specific page in Microsoft Word. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.